Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be bringing you this aquamarine birthstone inspired makeup look. And what about this spring theme that we got going on here? I love it. If you're new here, welcome. I would like to invite you to subscribe today, become part of my growing YouTube family, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can get alerted when I upload next. I also do home decor videos, home decoration, design, and fashion videos, also hauls, and obviously this year I'll be working on birthstone inspired makeup looks for every single month. I did start back in January, so if you guys haven't seen a January or February's video, go ahead and check those out. But this month is all about March, and if you have a birthday this month, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday with many more to come. And yeah, I just wanted to do, I don't know, something inspired by the colors of the month. In case you're wondering where the pop of yellow is coming or originating from, it is from the flower of March. Tongue-tied here. It is for the flower of March, and it's called the daffodil, which is a nice, beautiful yellow flower. And yeah, that's where the yellow is coming from. My lids are in a beautiful aquamarine color. This is the only aqua eyeshadow that I had. So this is the one that I used. And also, dedication, I have an aqua top. This top I got from Ross for only $5.99, so in case you're interested. My jewelry and stuff I will leave linked in the description below in case you're interested in anything. I got almost everything from Amazon except for the top. This month is the aquamarine, which is a beautiful pale blue, kind of greenish color, but it's more in the light blue category. Something like this. This is the color of aquamarine, and it looks like seawater. Honestly, it looks like very clear ocean waters, and it's beautiful. So yeah, spring has begun, hence the flowers on my hair, guys. Spring is my favorite season, and not only because I was born in the spring, but because I don't know, I feel like everything comes back to life. We see new color, new grass, everything is bright and just, it looks new, and I love it. I'm going to be doing my makeup. Some parts are going to be sped up, some parts are not, and I'm also going to be sharing a few little March tidbits, nothing too complicated, nothing too crazy, just things that I look up on the spot, just to share with you while I do my makeup, historical facts, some birthdays, and just things that are going on in March. So if you're interested, just keep watching, and I hope you enjoy. For this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one. The first shade I'm going to use is this one right here, and I'm going to use it as a transition. The shade I'm going to use is this one right here. I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with a very dark brown. I'm going to choose this one right here. March is the first month of spring, which spring usually starts between March 19th and the 21st, and this year spring started on the 20th. So springtime is the time when all the animals wake up from hibernation. The flower for March is the daffodil. It's a beautiful yellow flower. So the zodiac signs for the month of March is Pisces, which is March 1st through the 20th, and from the 20th to the 31st would be Aries. So what else is going on in March? Okay. On March 21st, 2016, Jack Dorsey founded Twitter. So now that I cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and add the shimmery pool party shade to my lid. March 8th is International Women's Day. So March 8th, pretty much International Women's Day, celebrates the achievements of women and the progress made toward women's rights. So March 14th this year is Daylight Savings Time, which we skip ahead an hour, so we actually lose an hour. Being the third month of the year, March was named after the Roman god of war named Mars. Okay, I think this is good. My whole eyelid is like aqua. So let me see. So March 27th this year is the start of Passover, and it begins at sundown. For my foundation, I am using tried and true Maybelline full coverage. What is this called? Super Stay. Super Stay foundation. So I'm using two different shades. My usual 120 has been looking so weird on me. Let's cancel out this discoloration, shall we? Goodness. Alright, so in history, President John F. Kennedy founded the Peace Corps on March 1st, 1961. So the Peace Corps is a volunteer organization which has sent at least 235,000 Americans abroad to developing countries to help with healthcare, education, and other human needs. All right, what else happened in history? So Julius Caesar was assassinated on March 15th. Julius Caesar. We all know his story, how he was assassinated by his own council, his own people. Whew. That's another story. But yeah, March 15th, Julius Caesar, one of the many lovers of Cleopatra, was assassinated. Oh my God, it's crazy. Alright, what else? So on March 10th, 1876, Alexander Graham Bell made his first ever telephone call. And guess who he called? His assistant. That was a trial call. He called his assistant. That's funny. Alright. So statistically, March is the most unproductive month of the year in the US, which is a result of March Madness, which is the season of the NBA. So a lot of people don't do much, well, statistically, they say a lot of unproductivity because everyone is so engaged in the games. That's so crazy. Let me finish this because I feel like I'm going over and over and over. On March 12, 1912, the Girl Scouts was founded by Juliet Gordon Lowe in Georgia. I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Warm, and I'm going to kind of put it here. This is a very brightening concealer, which is why I like it. This would otherwise be for very fair skin tones, but I use it to kind of brighten up this area. It's a youth organization for girls in the US. So I'm going to start with my forehead, and we're going to go straight into, I think, the last historical little fact tidbit from March, and it's regarding the US National Anthem. So the National Anthem was officially established as our nation's anthem on March 3rd, 1931. However, the Star-Spangled Banner was introduced by Francis Scott Key during the War of 1812. So that is quite a bit of time that has passed before the actual anthem was adapted as our national anthem. So that was pretty cool. What is this? How about a few birthdays? We got Dr. Seuss, Theodore Geisel. Dr. Seuss, better known, or Theodore Geisel, better known as Dr. Seuss, was born on March 2nd, 1904, in Massachusetts. Now I know there's some controversy with Dr. Seuss and the books and what they may or may not have represented throughout the years, but we're not going to get into that. Albert Einstein has a birthday in March also, March 14th, 1879.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Guys, I am back and I finished my eye makeup. I added some lashes. Let me give a quick shout out to these Dollar Tree lashes. I found this at the Dollar Tree for $1. These are Ionic 3D Foam Ink lashes. These are the ones I'm wearing right now and they are amazing. They feel like awesome quality. They're so dramatic. If you like lashes like these, $1 at the Dollar Tree. They have different styles also in different color boxes, but they're called the Ionic 3D Mink lashes. This one in particular is the green box, and this is called the Extra Large Wispy Dramatic. Guys, they're only $1. Stack up. So anyway, what else did I do? I added some of the aqua eyeshadow in my inner corner. And I added some lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing is Blankety by MAC with the World Lip Liner. And I actually added some of their lip gloss in Morning Glory. So that's how you see the little sparkle on my lips. I also added some blush, the pink one called Rosy Outlook by L'Oreal True Match. And I think I'm going to do a little pop-up yellow in my inner tear duct, just a little hint. Even though I love how it looks like this, I feel like, I don't know, like being a little bit extra today. So before I get to that, I am wearing an Aquamarine one shoulder little tank top. I got this from Ross for only $5.99. They come in different colors. So if you guys like tops like these, they have them at Ross. And also my favorite earrings. You know, I've been talking about these earrings for so long now. And I have some little cuffs, faux piercing. I don't really have a piercing there. These are just made to look, they're huggies, like they hug your lobe or whatever, so you can put it as high or as low as you like. So I really like these. They give the illusion of more piercings, so I like that. And my new favorite necklace, guys, this is a Paperclip necklace that I got from Amazon. It has a double pendant. This one has moon and stars, and then on the other side, if I just turn it around, it's just a hammered disc, and I love it. As you can see, this Paperclip necklace is a little thinner than the other ones that they usually sell, but I really like this. And yeah, I have one of my favorite necklaces, bracelets, also from Amazon. So I don't have any rings on right now, but that's okay. Obviously, this look, you can end it right here, which I really want to, but I really kind of want to be a little bit extra, so I'm going to go ahead and take the plunge. I'm going to use a little bit of the Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil with a little brush. I'm going to apply it like real close to the tear duct there. I just want to do like a little pop of yellow for the flower of the month, the daffodil, which are yellow, nice bright yellow. So for the yellow, the only yellow eyeshadow that I have, honestly, is the one in the 88 palette. If you guys remember that rainbow palette, yep, I still have one. And where'd it go? Here it is. Remember the infamous 88? So I'm going to be using this bright yellow right here. Brush with it, tap off the excess because I really want it to pop. looks so cute. How did I know that that was gonna look so cute? That looks so good. Now, right now it looks around, but let me like blend this out a little bit. See, I'm not even mad at this circle. I love it. Oh my god. This looks so cute. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit, just, you know, so it won't look totally. Guys, look how nice this looks. Is so good. Point out before anybody notices, I'm gonna be very honest right now. The wings on my liner came out going in different directions, so they don't have the same path. This one is more going out straight, which I love this one, and then this one is kind of going north. So I don't know if you noticed, but just wanted to point that out. So to finish the video, I wanted to add a little bit of something that would incorporate the beginning of spring, this makeup look, and what a better way to do it than with flowers. So I decided to get some dollar store flowers and just kind of snip off the edging, leaving the little stems on. I got purple, I got some blue, and I couldn't find any aquamarine, so I couldn't find that color. But what my idea was to kind of pin these to my hair in a cascading motion, because obviously spring has begun and I love spring. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to use some good old-fashioned bobby pins that I got at the Dollar Tree. So let's do this. Oh, that looks so cute. Okay, so that's one. Let's do a pink. Actually, let me set the pink where I want it. Actually, that one. Let's take this out. Can you put it right here? And then we're gonna do a purple. Well, these, if they're not secure with the bobby pin, they will just slide out. I already tried this. And yeah, so. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way of doing this. I just haven't stumbled upon it. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. I think we gotta hide the stem behind the hair. I'm trying to hide the stem. The stem does not want to cooperate. So yeah. Why wouldn't I have a hard time? This is an epic fail, huh? Try another flower. That one is being stubborn. So let's do this. Oh, look at how cute. All right, we're just gonna leave that like that because it's being stubborn. And let's do this little one right here. So you can get the idea. This is such a pretty spring look. This would be so pretty for like photographs. What do you guys think of my aquamarine birthstone inspired makeup look? I'm loving it. And then with the spring colors, I am like sold. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Become part of my growing YouTube family. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know which part was your favorite. Is it the pop of yellow? Is it the flowers for you? What's going on in your mind? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. This really does help YouTube recommend my videos to others. And yeah, I'll wrap it up right here, and I'll see you for the next one. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.